Welcome. If you're looking to change your Facebook page username on your PC and want to make sure you're following the latest steps, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through the new update step by step so you can easily update your page's username and make it truly yours. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages the page you want to update. Once you're on Facebook, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it. This will bring up a menu where you can access all the pages you manage. Now, find and select the page where you want to change the username. Click on the page's profile photo to enter your page's main dashboard. Next, look for the Settings and Privacy option. Click on it, and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you into the main settings area for your page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Page Setup. Here, you'll find the Name section, which is where you can make changes to your page's details. In the Name section, look for the Username option. You'll see an Edit button right next to it. Click on Edit to open up the field where you can type your new username. Now, simply enter your desired username. Make sure it's unique and follows Facebook's guidelines. No spaces, only letters, numbers, and periods. If the username is available, you'll see a green check mark. Once you're happy with your new username, click on Save Change to confirm. That's it. Your Facebook page username is now updated. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.